Hello students. Today we want to discuss essay writing question in O-level English. First of all, we'll discuss what is the meaning of an essay. Essay is a French word. Its meaning is to try or to attempt or to try to do something. Prose composition with a focused subject of discussion. In an essay, we find one topic and we write precisely on that topic. There are different types of essays. Some are literary essays. And Francis Bacon, in the age of Renaissance, he is a famous essayist. And his essays have got worldwide fame. Aldous Huxley, he has also got fame in essay writing. You must be looking at this picture. This picture is of Sadpara. Types of essay, there are argumentative essay, descriptive essay, narrative essay, expository essay, and literary essays. Argumentative essay, in these essays, we argue logically. We present examples and give historical allusions. Allusions mean references. Suppose Napoleon Bonaparte has done this, and in Muslim history, in American history, British history. So we bring different historical references to consolidate or to strengthen our own point. We also bring statistics to confirm our point of view. There are causes and effects. Rationale of every step is given. Personal feelings and observations should also be highlighted. In O-level paper, there is a demand that feelings and observations regarding the topic should be shared. Compare and contrast. You can compare that phenomena with other countries or with other generations. You can compare with different time periods. Argumentative O-level essay topics. Every generation should move on and forget the beliefs and practices of previous generations. How far do you agree with this? Sorry. Give reasons and details to support your views. So when you find how far do you agree, such essay topics fall in the category of argumentative essay. Sport is not just good for exercise, it teaches us lessons about values and behavior. Do you think this is true? Give reasons and details to support your view. This question was set in June 2021. The use of motor cars is the greatest threat to the environment. Do you agree? When they ask about your opinion, it means they ask you to take one side and present different arguments in favor or against that proposition. Some essays are descriptive essays. Describe scenes, things, objects, persons, place, experience, emotions, situation. Present pictorial words. Present pictorial words means you are writing in this manner that you are transforming images into words, and the reader should feel that you have changed images into words. So describe each and everything. Suppose if there is a room, describe the material, describe the curtains, chairs, their color, their fabric, people. If there is a cupboard of books, describe those books. And each and everything should be delineated precisely and comprehensively. Express feelings, thoughts, and personal experiences. Suppose if there is a weather, express your personal experience or your own experiences. Suppose you have done that activity in your childhood. What was your experience? Use vivid language, expressive language. Write figurative language. Figurative language means literal meaning has not been applied, but metaphoric meaning is there. Show expressions with five senses. Suppose if there is a scene of an ocean, you can describe the noise of those waves. You can see with your own eyes. You can also feel the dampness of that situation. So try to express with the help of five senses. Stir readers' imaginative power too. Imagination, flight of imagination is very important, that you can imagine some other situations on the basis of the present situation. Descriptive essay topics. Describe two very different places where people buy food. The places may be shops, restaurants, markets, or any other. Remember, you are describing the atmosphere and any people there as well as the places. This paper was set in June 2021. So you will describe places and describe people. When you describe people from top to bottom, their hair, color of eyes, complexion, and uh, um, well-built person or a thin person, dresses, appearance, or and everything which is related with the people. If you read the novel Tess of D'Urberville written by Thomas Hardy, you will find that Hardy, he has the skill of art of characterization. Over there, he depicts Tess. That Tess was wearing white clothes. White color is the symbol of purity. When he described the appearance of Alec, he describes that he's a rascal, vagabond, and evil-natured person. So description and depiction both are very important. Describe an annual event which you enjoy and explain why it is so important to you. So the word describe is also guiding you that this is a descriptive essay. Narrative essay. Narrative means story. Use a first person or third person narrative technique. Prefer first person narrative technique because you are the eyewitness of that situation. Include an introduction, plot, characters, setting, climax, and conclusion. Plot means story, which is built with cause and effect. Characters, you should name the characters. Suppose if it's an indigenous story, you will give names, uh, Pakistani names. And if you are talking about some foreigners, obviously the names would be foreigners and their habits, characters, their characteristics, their qualities, their language should be according to the characters. For example, especially pay attention to Shakespeare's Hamlet. In Shakespeare's Hamlet, there is a security guard and he says, "Unfold yourself." This is a non academic expression. So, Shakespeare has the ability to put certain language in a character's mouth. Character speaks, and that character reveals his or her identity. As you must have seen that in Pakistani dramas that there is a maid. Maid speaks wrong English, like by God ki kasam, or many other wrong expressions. And the names of the characters are usually Sugra and like this. So setting mean in which situation that story is built. Climax. Climax means the story reaches at its top. And then there is a resolution or conclusion. But remember, stories are different and narrative essay is different. Narrative essay topics. The year when the whole world suffered from a pandemic. The moment of success. How traveling to the countryside can change your worldview. What do you consider to be your greatest achievement? Why does it mean so much to you? The way we dress reveals who we are. What are your views? These last two questions have been taken from 2013 paper. Expository essay. Expository, just recall the word expose. Expose something, to introduce a new concept, to explain a new thing, policy, technology. When first time COVID was introduced, many people wrote expository essay on COVID. And nowadays, we are embracing quantum physics and quantum computing. So there is need to write essays on quantum computation. Expository essay topics, quantum computers and their effects, nanotechnology, SpaceX, and many other can be expository essays. Brainstorming is very important. Look at the word brainstorm. Bring storm in your brain. Think, think out of the box and jot down key ideas. Write them on a piece of page. Arrange ideas. You can also use mind maps for brainstorming. Then arrange ideas, give them particular sequence. Read extensively. Ideas don't come from some uncertain place. Read extensively, discuss that topic with different types of people. Suppose the same topic you discuss with biologists, infotech people, biotech people, students, uneducated people, drivers, and different people. And they will give you different solutions of that problem. Write four quotes from brainyquotes.com. This is a very good website. Write one verse from a poem. Compile all that information. Read summary of some best-selling book on that topic. Suppose there is a technology, or you are talking about 21st century. There is, you all know Hariri's book, 21 Lessons for the 21st Century. So this is a best-selling book. So Google Books, this is a Z library link. Copy it and just write over there your topic. You will find the best-selling book. This is a very good way to expand your knowledge and to know about your topic. Many people just brainstorm what they already know, but you can also find out something new which has not been explored or which you have not read. So that's why read a lot, watch a lot, discuss people. These are the different steps of brainstorming. Structure of an essay. Primarily, every essay has a topic, then outline optional. Do not write in O level. In O level paper, do not write the outline. But if you are writing essay for BA level students, or you are studying at BA level, you must write an outline. Introductory paragraph. This is very important. Write thesis statement too. Body paragraphs 3 to 5 points, and concluding paragraph. O level students have particular points in their essay statement, and they should focus on them. Introductory paragraph, use some hook. Hook can be a quotation. Can you see the hook here? Here is a fish. A fish has been hooked. In this way, you will hook your audience with the help of some quotation from Brainy Quotes. You will mention some statistics. You will crack a joke. You can use any hyperbole to attract the attention of your audience. Define the topic, mention the thesis statement. Body of the essay. Write 3 points of your question paper, write 3 paragraphs, develop narratology. Narratology means the key home point or the idea, establish thoughts and arguments. In concluding paragraph, you will sum up, you will summarize, you will add a quote which cover all aspects. Some tips for writing an essay: time management, time distribution for questions. Point out the main idea, cover all aspects, accuracy of the statistics, accuracy of the language, vocabulary, variety of sentence structure, use of transitional words, and add quotations from Brainy Quotes. There are qualities of 27 to 30 marks answers, and you should try to follow these qualities. Highly accurate writing, apart from very occasional slips, sentence structures varied from particular effects. Verbs, forms largely correct and appropriate tenses consistently used. Vocabulary wide and precise. use different types of words. Punctuations accurate and helpful, spelling accurate apart from very occasional slips. Paragraphs have unity, are linked and show evidence of planning. Appropriateness and content, consistently relevant, interest aroused and sustained. Tone and register mean particular language of that domain. Entirely appropriate, descriptions have well developed, images helping to create complex atmosphere, arguments are well developed. In argumentative essay, your arguments are checked, logical, even complex. Narratives are complex, sophisticated, possibly tense, and may contain devices such as flashbacks. If you need any assistance in tutoring, in training, in editing, translation, please feel free to discuss with us. I'm here to help you. Thank you so much.